So guys, this is the Canon printer and model number TS5340A. So we're gonna show you how to set up a paper. I'll just open the lid from here. This is how. Okay, you're gonna arrange the paper. This is A4 size paper, and just get it through the hole, and all set, and it's ready to copy. So this is our apps from Canon. Okay, our mobile screen is broken, so I'm sorry about it. And send it command. This is our printer. Okay, command send, print.
Settings, media type,
Okay,
plain paper, and the paper size should be A4.
A4, yes.
So that's it.
Uh, all right, this is start printing, man. So it's shivering.
It will take some time.
Yeah. So okay, so our printer is ready to.
It's coming.
Okay. So guys, take a look. See how beautifully it's coming out.
Huh? Where is the color?